So today I'm going to show you guys how to tell good quality saffron from bad quality saffron. So we got Spanish saffron here, which is the most prevalent type of saffron out on the market right now. It's got yellow strands in there. So these yellow strands are usually cut off with good quality saffron. So in Spanish saffron, it is sold with the yellow stigmas in it. So it is cheaper to produce. But got some other saffron, which is this is not bad saffron. It's decent saffron. I got it from this package right here. Decent saffron, but it's pretty shriveled if you see it, and it's shorter stigmas, so it doesn't keep its quality if it's all dehydrated too much and becomes a little stale and old. So this is decent saffron, but it's just that it's not fresh and it hasn't been kept proper. So if you want to keep spices, and that's the case with any type of saffron, any type of spice. You usually supposed to keep it in a tin can, something like this, which is what we usually keep all our saffron in. And you put a lid on it just so it doesn't all the aroma and doesn't escape that container. So one of the tests you do with saffron is that you pour a little bit of hot water into it just to see if it loses its color right away. It means that it's fake saffron. So with this one, there are certain pieces in here that it does lose its color right away. They pour like different pieces of corn and they dye it red, which is, these dyes are horrible for you. So they ended up mixing that along with the saffron just to bring the cost down. That was the Spanish saffron. This is this saffron. Right. Just gonna put some hot water into it. This one is keeping its color pretty well. But yeah, and this is last but not least. This is the velvet saffron that we have here. So it's not supposed to lose its color right away, practically. So you could even have this for a day, and it's still supposed to be some red in it. Basically, imagine like a stigma growing out of a flower. It does need to be thicker on the bottom and get narrower at the top. That's exactly how it's supposed to look like. And that's the easiest way to tell if saffron's real or not. But when it's not in whole pieces or in small pieces, it's very hard to distinguish whether it does get narrower towards the tip or not. So it's been a couple minutes, and this is how the Spanish saffron is performing. It's not too bad, to be honest. For Spanish saffron, it's not that bad. There might be like a strand or two that lost its color a little bit too fast, but that's practically it. But these, and then this is the other saffron that slightly shriveled, and this is our saffron. It's still keeping its red color. So yeah, that's practically what you're looking for. It's practically that it doesn't lose its color, because usually dye comes off pretty fast if something's been dyed. So the main reason we do put hot water on something just to make sure that the dye, it's not just dye on there, because it's actual saffron. So this is a Spanish saffron that I did the water test on. So the hot water test came out pretty decent. There's not that much fake saffron in here, very little if any. And you got this older nagging saffron. With this one, it did lose its color a little bit, just like this one, kind of pretty fast, but it's still decent saffron. And this is the velvet saffron. If you look at this one compared to these ones, it did keep its color much more than any one of these. So this one's definitely the highest quality saffron because it did maintain its color.